So how to study Tajweed? We said we have two types of Tajweed rules. First one is
General.
general rules of Tajweed. And the second one is
Special.
special rules of Tajweed. First one, I have any Arabic letter with any haraka. For example, a, I, u, or a, u, I. It doesn't give me a special sound. So it's normal. Almost of Arabic letters, a, ba, ta, tha, and so on. So I will study here makharij and sifat, and this is an advanced level. We are going to skip it for later, inshallah. But we are going to study some special tajweed rules. How to know these special tajweed rules? First one, I have a special letter which has a special sound. For example, amma. This is a special sound, right?
Yes.
Because it has that
This is
wavy
called
thing.
ghunna. This extra sound, it's called
غنى.
ghunna. That's right. Ad, or the letters of mad. قال, يقول, قيل. This extra sound, which is called mad. It gives me a special sound. Okay. So I have a special letter. What does it mean? It means I have a special sound here. And this special letter should have sukoon or shadda. Okay, this is the condition here, to have sukoon or
شدة.
shadda, any one of them. Like you see here, I have sukoon here and I have shadda here. So it gives me a special rule, and it's called qalqala, ghunna, mad, or any one of these special rules. Okay.
Wait, I'm writing this down. One second.
So I'm looking at the Mus'haf. When I tell you, give me the rule in this word or this ayah, you should look for a special letter and which has a special sukoon or shadda. Okay, a special situation which has sukoon or shadda. Okay, this is the first step to get the tajweed rules from the Mus'haf. Let's move to the next one.
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm still writing this down.
Yes. Okay.
Sukoon and shadda.
Yes, sukoon and shad.
So,
These special tajweed rules, we can divide it into 3 units. Okay. So first one, the one letter rules. I have one letter with sukoon or shadda. So it gives me a special rule, a special tajweed rule. And we have 2 lessons here. We have ghunna and we have qalqala. Okay? And the second unit, the second level, I have 2 letter rules. 2 letter rules, I have a second letter. Okay? This is the first letter, followed by any متحرك letter. For example, باء فتحة, باء ضمة, or باء كسرة. So these rules, it consists of 2 letters. First one, a second letter which has a special sound, and we have 3 second letters. Noon sakin, mim sakin, and lamun sakin.
Yeah.
Followed by any متحرك letter to give me a special rule of tajweed. Okay? The third and last level here, or last unit here, it's mad rules, and we are going to study the different types of mad. Okay?
Okay.
So each unit of these 3 units consists of 2 lessons or more, inshallah. Let's move to the next one. The one letter rules. First one, we said we have ghunna, which is mim or noon mushaddad, and we are going to yes, that's right, this sound. We're going to study it, inshallah, mim and noon mushaddad. The second lesson, which is qalqala, the 5 second letters, qut bijad. and which has sukun. So like we said, the condition of these special rules of tajweed to have sukun or shadda. So we have sukun here and we have shadda here. So the question here is, do we have more one-letter rules? Yeah, that's true, but these are some advanced rules. We are going to study it later, inshallah, after completing this first step of learning tajweed. So let's move to the next one.
Oh, wait, I'm writing down this thing because I always forget the second letters.
Yes. So let's move to the next one. The two-letter rules. We have 3 lessons here. First one, look at this one, Sheikh Amin. What this one? The first lesson is
What?
Nunun Sakin.
Yeah, Nunun second, Mimun second, and Lamun second.
And can you remember the second one? It's Nunun Sakin and
Mimun second.
no, I mean the same one. The brother of Nunun Sakin. Do you remember it? Nunun Sakin and Tanween, right?
Oh, just Tanween. I don't know.
Nunun Sakin and her brother, which is Tanween, right?
Yep, Tanween.
I forgot to write it here. Okay. So we have Nunun Sakin and Tanween, right?
Yep.
The second lesson, Hala, which is
Mimun second and Nunun second?
Mimun Sakin rules. It talks about Mimun Sakin. The third one, which is Lamun Sakin. So the 2-letter rules, I have a second letter, which is Nunun Sakin or Tanween, or Mimun Sakin or Lamun Sakin, followed by a mutaharrik letter. If I change the second letter, Sheikh Amin, look here.
I am.
If I change the second letter, these rules will be changed according to the second letter. So Nun second here, followed by Alif, followed by Ha, followed by Ain. Actually, these 3 examples have the same rule, but if I put here like Ya, Ba, or other letter, it will be changed, and we have 4 rules here. Here we have 3 rules, depends on the second letter, and here we have 2 rules, depends on the second letter too. Okay, so let's move to the third part here.
How many parts are there?
Actually, this is the last one.
Oh.
Okay, so in the Mus'haf, okay, we have 2 types of rules, and these are the basics of Tajweed rules. First one, do you know this simple?
I just forgot what it's called.
Sukun.
Wanna?
That's right. This is
Sukun,
called
yeah.
sukun, okay?
We FYI, we're running out of time. We have like 8 minutes left.
Yes, the letter that has sukun, it's called second letter, okay?
Second, yeah.
Okay, so second letter has 2 types or 2 shapes. First one, I can draw it with sukun, and I can draw it without sukun. What is the difference between these 2 types? First one, it has something called idhar. It has something called
Izhar.
idhar.
Isn't that extending the sound?
Idhar, which means I have to pronounce it clearly. 100%.
Oh yeah.
The second one, which is
Is
called
Izhar,
idgham, that's right.
which is extending.
Yeah, I have to hide it to pronounce 0%, like it's silent. Okay? So when I have sukun, which is drawn above the letter, I have to pronounce this letter 100%. If I have nothing above this letter, which has a hidden sukun, he wanted to say, like we hide this sukun, we should hide this letter too. Okay? Let's have some examples from the Mus'haf.
Okay.
Okay, so what about this one here? Can you see my Mus'haf here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Sheikh Amin, let's start. Should I pronounce this lamb or I should skip it?
Skip it
Why?
because it has a sukoon on it,
So,
and you have to hide it.
it
It's
has
idghar.
a clear sukoon, so he wanted to say, make it sound clear like you have this clear sukoon here.
Yeah.
So I should pronounce it 100%. Okay?
Yeah.
Hala, can you please tell me, should I pronounce this lamb or I can skip it? Or I should skip it?
Pronounce it.
It doesn't have anything.
No, my bad. No, nothing.
So it will be silent, okay? That's okay. Sheikh Amin, can you please tell me about what is the rule of this lam, idhar, which means I should pronounce it, or idgham, which means I should hide it?
You should do idghar.
Idhar, that's perfect. Hala, can you please tell me, should I pronounce this scene or not?
Idhar.
That's perfect. So these are the basics of Tajweed rules. It's not difficult, it's not tough, it's so easy, inshallah. And we are going to study it lesson by lesson till we, inshallah, be able to catch and extend these letters or extract these letters from the Mus'haf, inshallah. Okay? Any questions?
Mhm.
Thank you and see you in the next meeting, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.